look at you. You usually give hugs and kisses. You're the friendliest. I'll come down to your level. Here we go. I know. Oh, snot in my face. It's okay. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I needed that. Oh, yeah. Let me just kiss you. How about that? Can you just oh, there you go. Thanks. Thanks for that. Thank you. Thank you for the eye infection. Thanks. What's happening? No! I got you. I got you. He's like, oh, you speak my language. Oh my gosh. I can't even see. I need wipers. I need wipers when I'm looking at you. He's like, oh. How you doing? Give me a hug with your little legs. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh. Alright, this was fun. This was so much fun. Yeah. Like I said, it reminds me of Cartman's from South Park. Yeah, fat guys with big bones. Right? Alright, buddy. I'll see you soon. I just could stay here all day. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Say hi to everybody. Look, I know you're looking at my soul. You're looking in the camera. Look. Yes, you're so good. Kisses. Good. Thank you. I close my eyes with you because you just snot right in my face. Yeah. Thank you.